We're going to show you guys how to create the pie charts and the bar graph from your homework. So thanks to Diori for modeling this. Really well done homework. You can see she's got the frequency and the relative frequency calculated for all of the types of apps. So the good news is Google Sheets makes it really easy for us. All we have to do is highlight our data. In this case, we have the type of app, right? This will be on the horizontal axis. And the frequency, this will be on our vertical axis. So I'll do a bar graph first. So I highlight my data, like you see here, and then I go to Insert, and I go to Chart. This pops up on my screen, and it says Chart Type. Well, I want to do a bar graph first, so I can do column chart. Look at that. It's now created a column chart for my data. And what you want to do is have this in your Google Sheet right there. Now I want to make a pie chart. So I'm going to click off and I'm going to highlight my data to Insert, Chart, and make sure I select pie chart if it's not selected already. And a pie chart is automatically generated from my data. And I can just put that right there below. Right? And you'll notice how it's already got our labels, our horizontal axis, our vertical axis, our title, all those different words we learned today. So make sure you put this in and have this in by tomorrow. Please let me know if you have any questions.